Hey everybody, I'm here today with an easy math lesson on mean, median, and mode. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of mean, median, and mode. I'll be telling you what they are, what they mean, and I'll also be showing you how to find them with these two sets of numbers, with these two examples here. So let's start off with the definitions. Mean is basically the average of all of the numbers. Median is the middle number that occurs when they're listed in numerical order. And mode is the most frequently occurring number in the set. Now, I'll actually be going into more depth and explaining them and showing you how to calculate them. So if you didn't fully understand that just yet, just wait a few moments as I demonstrate this. You'll understand it by the end of the video. So we're going to start off with mean. Mean is basically the average of a set of numbers. So to calculate the mean, what we have to do is we have to get all of the numbers, and they don't have to be in numerical order, but I did these ones in numerical order. So even if they're sort of, all in different orders, it's completely fine when you're finding the mean. Now, what you want to do is you want to add all of the numbers together, and then you want to divide that total number by the total number of numbers. So let me just give you an example to make it a little bit easier. So to calculate the mean for this set of numbers right here, we would add all the numbers together. So let's add them up. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8. Let's get the total. So 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 8 is 20. So we have 20, and then we're going to take this number and we're going to divide it by the total number of numbers. So let's count how many numbers are in this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So our mean is actually 4. Very simple. It's as simple as that. Now the median is basically the middle number in the set of numbers. So for this to occur, to find the median, you actually have to make sure that they are in numerical order from least to greatest, okay? Or from greatest to least. Either way is okay. But with that being said, this is how I like to do it. I like to use my two fingers. We start on the outside, and then we work our way to the inside until there's only one number in the middle. As you can see, there's a 3 in the middle, and you can see that, there's two numbers to the right of the 3, two numbers to the left of the 3. We have two numbers to the right, two numbers to the left. So the 3 is actually the median because it's right in the middle. Okay, very simple. Now for the mode, it's actually the easiest to calculate. And for the mode, you're going to look at all of the numbers and you want to find the number that has the most values in there, that the number that you see the most often in the data set. So you can see there's 1, 1, there's 1, 5, there's 1, 8, but there are 2 3s. So the mode is 3 because there are 2 3s. So in this specific example, the median and mode are actually the same value, and then the mean is a different number, but it can be any number of values. So let's move on to the next one. Now this is an interesting one. It's a smaller set of numbers, but it's going to show you another example of a different way to find the median. All right, so for the mean, once again, we're actually going to be taking the numbers and adding them together. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, now let's add those together. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 5 is going to be 12. 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 12. Very simple. And now we're going to take this sum, we're going to divide it by however many numbers are in the set. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers in the set. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So our mean is 3. And a mean is just another way of saying an average, okay? So for the median, this is going to be a different way of calculating it because if we start from the outside, you can see that we start on the outside, we make our way in, but you can see that there's actually not one number in the middle. We have 2 on the outside, right? And then we have 2 on the inside, and these are both the middle numbers, right? These are both in the middle. There's no number in between them. So these numbers are actually both in the middle of the set. They're equally in the middle. So what we have to do to calculate the median is we actually have to find the mean of just these two numbers right over here. So we're going to take 2 plus 3. We're going to add those numbers together, which is equal to 5. We're going to divide it by the total number of digits. 2 digits, so 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5. Very simple. So our median is actually 2.5. It's a number that you don't even see in the numbers right there. Last but not least, we're going to calculate the mode. If you look, there are actually 2 2s. There's 1 3 and 1 5. 2 is the number that has the most numbers in there. So the mode is going to be 2. Very simple. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to calculate mean, median, and mode. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.